I have an excellent tip for you today using just baker's twine or even cotton and some brads. Now this tip is fantastic for creating a little bit something different, create some lines and some texture on your pages to bring out some lines in the photograph here. Now the one that I've got is just a really fabulous photograph of my son when he was a baby, and I've chosen some brads here. I've got some lovely triangle ones that I love. They're golden as well, which brings in some of the yellow that I've stamped on the background here through a stencil. I'm just going to put that aside. Now, if you've got a piece of cork or an old mouse pad, that's the most ideal surface to put underneath your paper or cardstock, doesn't matter which. And just lay that over the area that you want. Now, I've got my photo here, and all I'm going to do is punch through. I'm using a push pin here, through my paper and just creating some dots, some holes around the photo, just moving it around, because what I'm going to do is, rather than, I was playing around with some baker's twine and I just couldn't get the look that I wanted, that I just wanted more straight lines, and then I thought, oh, sticking it down is going to be a nightmare. So I came up with this idea. Now I'm just focusing down this side because I just want it down this side of the page. And I'm just going to go through all of these holes, push the brads through. Okay. Finish that off, close that off, move that away, we don't need it anymore. Now I'm having mine coming down this side of the page. Now, like I say, I've got some baker's twine here for a more of a softer look, but I'll also show you some cotton as well. So all I'm doing is just wrapping it around the brads, and I'm going for straight, tightish kind of lines, like so. Okay, I've just literally tied off the last brad. I'm going to stick my photo sort of in between some of these cotton that I've created, the shapes. You can see what I mean in terms of the ability to create shapes with this. Now I can go over the top of that with some black cotton if I want. That looks absolutely fantastic, particularly on a white background with the triangles. They just look really lovely and really, really sharp. So you can see you can build it up. Or you can leave it, have it as simple as that, add a few embellishments to it, you can have them tucked behind. It really is such a simple and excellent technique for easily creating dimension and something slightly different that you may have not seen before. So go ahead and get your brad or your cotton out and get started creating some fantastic shapes on your pages.